The live cost of Tezos token is $112,568,613. XTZ cost could take off as high as 226 constantly 2024. Tezos cost with a potential flood could go as high as $106 by 2030. Tezos' street to fame was not a simple one. Given the difficulties, the coin has quick made progress. In addition, the organization likewise flaunts an energy proficient calculation, which is additionally adaptable. The local resource of the Tezos organization, XTZ, has been under due thought by financial backers and brokers. XTZ has proactively been recorded, including over the top 10 crypto trades in only 2 years of its commencement. Is it true that you are thinking about XTZ cost for your portfolio, however stressed over its profits? Follow this review till the finish to be aware of it. We investigate XTZ and give you a nitty-gritty cost gauge for 2024 and the years to come. Tezos value expectation February 2024. The Tezos cost exchange to shut reached somewhere in the range of $1.10 and $1.44 for a period, following which the bulls lost energy and the cost recorded a rectification of roughly 14% in valuation. After this, the cost exchanged sideways for some time, showing a feeble cost activity for the coin on the lookout. As the market unpredictability expanded, the XTZ cost recorded a leap of 1084% prior to confronting dismissal over the obstruction level of $1.10. After this, the cost exchanged sideways for the following 11 days. The bulls then, at that point, effectively broke out of the obstruction level after various bombed endeavors. However, the meeting was fleeting, bringing about the cost exchanging sideways for a concise period. As of late, the bulls' recaptured force broke out of its significant opposition level $1.84 and is very nearly testing its upper obstruction level of $1.121, the result of which is eccentric. The moving typical combination disparity MACD shows a rising green histogram, demonstrating an expansion in the purchasing strain inside the market. Further, the midpoints show a consistent ascent, proposing the cost will keep acquiring esteem in the approaching time. Assuming the market pushes the cost over the obstruction level of $1.121, the bulls will recover energy and get ready to test its opposition level of $1.195 in the forthcoming weeks. Alternately, in the event that the bears overwhelm the bulls, the cost will lose energy and plan to test its lower cutoff of $1.1044 this month. XTZ Coin Value Forecast 2024. On account of Tezos' layered engineering and express redesign process, the organization can be prepared to give and integrate new cutting-edge innovations after they become practical. This might help the coin's notoriety before long. Depending on its one-of-a-kind highlights, Tezos is expected to get the separate least and most extreme costs in 2024. As per its major review, the most extreme and least levels are normal at $2.26 and $1.06 separately. Also, exchanging costs are projected to be $1.66, all things considered. Developing positive feelings and a spike in volumes could push the cost to more significant levels. Tezos' cost expectation for 2024 could go from $1.06 to $2.26 for the year. Tezos' value expectation 2025. Tezos experts and crypto fans are hopeful that Tezos' costs will continue to ascend from now on. Assuming that the client base of the organization advances at a noteworthy speed, the organization would likewise warmly greet greater names in the business. In such a case, the cost of XTZ could impel to a limit of $0.95. On the other side, ebbing unmistakable quality and stiffer rivalry among opponents could wreck the cost to at least $2.01. All things considered, compelled by the straight direction of value, the altcoin could settle at $2.48. Tezos value expectation 2026. As per our experts, XTZ crypto cost for the year 2026 could run between $2.67 to $3.69, and the typical cost of Tezos could be around $3.18. Tezos value forecast 2027. As indicated by our investigators, Tezos cost for the year 2027 could run between $3.22 to $4.45, and the typical cost of XTZ could be around $3.83. Tezos value forecast 2028. As indicated by our investigators, XTZ coin cost for the year 2028 could run between $3.89 to $5.21, and the typical Tezos cost could be around $4.55. Tezos value forecast 2029. As indicated by our experts, Tezos crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $4.50 to $6.53, and the typical XTZ cost could be around $5.51. Tezos value forecast 2030. As per our experts, the XTZ coin cost for the year 2030 could go between $6.01 to $8.12, and the typical cost of tezos could be around $7.65. We have made a table that incorporates the conceivable cost expectation for a similar token made by other crypto experts on their separate stages. The objectives referenced above are the typical targets set by the individual firms. Tezos expectation. As the Tezos establishment keeps on acquiring fame, so will the quantity of XTZ holders. According to S-Form Tezos cost forecast, the Tezos establishment will assume a significant part in future cost developments. Tezos surely can possibly fill in esteem over the course of the following quite a long while. In progression, the cost of XTZ could hit a limit of $2.26 toward the finish of 2024, while arising opponents and negative analysis could attract down the cost to $1.06. Normal trading tensions could settle the cost at $1.66. Essential investigation. Arthur Breitman created Tezos. Tezos, likewise alluded to as XTZ, is a coin that is a multi-reason stage that upholds dApps and savvy contracts. Arthur Breitman arranged the white paper on the Brilliant Agreement stage. The white paper ready for Tezos organization was planned to empower a superior administration process. Beforehand, Arthur Breitman and his significant other Kathleen Breitman sent off a beginning up known as powerful record arrangements that capabilities by making a calculation that would set up the Tezos convention. Strangely, the tech firm was obtained by the Tezos establishment. The stage's fundamental goal is to join a self-revising convention and on-bind administration to oversee network changes. Moreover, the altcoin utilizes assigned evidence of stake DPAs and upholds Turing-complete brilliant agreements. At long last, it would be worth focusing on that Tezos emitted into the crypto land by gathering $232 million in their record-breaking ICO. What is Tezos? Tezos XTZ is a blockchain network connected to a computerized token called a tez or a tezi. Tezos are not in view of the mining of tez. All things being equal, token holders get a prize for taking part in the confirmation of stake agreement component. The expression tezos is an old Greek word for brilliant agreements according to the engineers. The stage is one of a kind as it has worked from its foundations to give a preferable administration process over Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Tezos has its local token XTZ, which could be utilized for holding, sending, baking, or spending. Furthermore, clients could utilize the token to decide on network reconciliations. Tezos notable market feelings 2017-2022. Tezos cost required a couple of months to get recorded on well-known trades. By October 2017, it was first recorded on a significant trade, after which the cost quickly flooded by multiple times its ICO cost. Toward the finish of 2017, XTZ's cost quickly picked up speed on trades, spiking to as high as $12.19. Further in 2018, other than a short development of $6 on Jan 3rd, the XTZ coin's cost experienced an extraordinary misfortune, arriving at the exchanging worth of $2. The negative stage went on till the finish of 2018, with the exchanging esteem beneath $4.76 constantly end. Tezos kept on exchanging at $0.50